Bonjour class. Let's study chapter number 9 today. Leçon 9. Les vacances. Now children, what do you mean by vacances? The chapter name is Les vacances. Vacances, as the name suggests, I'm sure most of you are guessing it right. That's vacations. Now let's study about vacations today. Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour de l'école. Now, what is dernier? First of all, in this chapter, we are going to study some new words. For example, the first word that you come across is dernier. Dernier means the last. Last. And what is first? First is première. Premiere. Since we are talking about jour here, so we are not going to put E in the end because jour is what? Jour is masculine. So, dernier stands for last and premiere stands for first. In some chapter earlier, it was like for some school days, we studied c'est le premier jour de l'école. That is, it is the first day of the school. Now, today they are telling us about the last day of the school. All of you know aujourd'hui is what? Today. So, today c'est le dernier jour de l'école. Today is the last day of the school. And how do you all feel when it's the last day of the school? Similarly, they have shared the same kind of feeling here. Demain, les vacances d'été commencent. Now, first and last. Another thing that we are studying here is aujourd'hui, which means today. Aujourd'hui. Then what they say? Demain. Demain is what? Tomorrow. Tomorrow, les vacances d'été. Tomorrow, the vacations of d'été commence. Now what is d'été here? D'été means, été is what? Summer. Of summers. Tomorrow the vacations of summer starts. Now what is the word for start? The verb for start is commencer. C-O-M-M-E-N-C-E-R. Commencer. Children, here, this is the infinitive form of the verb. But we have to conjugate it. We'll conjugate according to which subject pronoun. We are talking about the vacations. Now, what is the sentence? The vacations of summer are starting. The vacations. The vacations is what? Plural. Right? So it is going to be conjugated according to ILS or ELLES. Il or L. So that is why ER. When we remove ER, what are we going to put? What do we put with ILS and ELLES? What is the pattern of ER ending verbs? The pattern of ER ending verbs is E, ES, E. ONS, EZ, and what comes with it? ENT. So that is why commencer will become commence. This is what it will become with les vacances. Les vacances d'été commencent. The vacations of summers begin. Les élèves sont contents. Now, the children are contents. You remember the verb, this adjective? Content is what? Happy. Content here is in its plural form. Why? Because we are talking about the students. All the students are happy here. Ils ont 2 mois de vacances. They have 2 months of vacations. So that is why they are all happy. Now, the next thing that we come across is Manuel va à plage pour une semaine. Manuel va. Now, what is va? Va again is a verb. Which verb? It comes from aller verb. Aller means to go. So, Manuel va. Where does he go? Manuel goes to the beach. Now, what is plage? Plage is beach. To the beach pour une semaine, for 1 week. Semaine. What is semaine, children? We know we did it in our last chapter. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Il y a 7 jours. There are 7 days in a week. So, Manuel goes to the beach for 1 week. He is holidaying at some beach destination for a week. Now, what is beach? Beach is plage. And since they have used ala. So what does it mean? It means plage is a feminine place. It's a feminine noun. That is why they have used ala. Next line. Isabelle et sa famille. Isabelle, name of a girl. Et sa famille. Now what is sa famille? Famille is we all know that it's family. Sa here stands for her. Isabelle and her family go to the countryside. Vont à la campagne. What is campagne? Campagne is countryside. So Isabelle goes with her family where? To some countryside. Et Anish va en Inde. And Anish, where does he go? He goes to India. So this is the planning. These people are sharing their plans, the vacations plans, that one person is going to the beach for, it's going to be a 2-month holiday, 2-month vacation. One person, Manuel, goes to the beach for a week. Then Isabelle goes to the countryside with her family, and Anish goes to India. Now children, in this chapter, we come across so many different verbs. Now, les verbes utilisés, the verbs used in lesson 9 are commencer. Commencer means to start. That is, again, we are just going to revise the ER ending verbs. How does the working take place? E, ESE, ONS, EZ and ENT. This is how it takes place. Then, sont comes from which verb? Être verb. Sont means are. Like they are happy. What was the line? The line was les élèves sont contents. Les élèves sont, the students are happy. Then, c'est le dernier jour. It is the last day. Is, again, it comes from être verb. Then, they have 2 months of holidays. Ils ont 2 mois de vacances. That is, they have. It comes from avoir verb. They go to the beach. Manuel va à la plage. He goes to the beach. Then semaine, 1 week, a week, à la plage is the beach. Sa here is what? Pronoun. Pronoun, which pronoun? Which, like in English or Hindi? Sorry, in English we use her or his. It is similar in French. Sa famille. Then he goes to India, Anish goes to India, and in the end it is bon vacances, happy holidays.